When I was much younger, I tried to fix the stick drift on this controller. It did not go well, so now I'm gonna fix my mistakes. Here are the two joysticks that I'll be using as replacements. I just soldered up the undamaged pads. I'll have to start doing the damaged ones. For example, this guy right here in the middle eventually leads to test point 64. This on the left will eventually go to the other side to this big plane right here, which I'll be able to scratch. So I just soldered test point 64 to this middle contact, and now I'll do the left contact to that plane I mentioned. So here I'm using an X-Acto knife to scratch away the solder mask so I could expose the copper and solder to it. This is the way that I use this magnet wire. I form a little loop with tweezers and then I'll fill it up with solder, which also gets rid of the enamel coating, and then I'll try and tack it onto the copper. Okay, so I just finished those two repairs, so now we can test out the X-axis on this stick. I have it hooked up to the gamepad tester and this axis works fine, so I'll continue with the repair. I got all the joints repaired, so now I just have to fix the stick drift. All the new potentiometers are not properly calibrated with the PCB, so I'll use one of these Drift Fix Flex PCBs. Only two of the axes have stick drift, so I'll be cutting this up. Here are the two potentiometers soldered on. Here are the two axes which have been modified. You can see this one's got like 11% drift. This one's got 9% drift. Now I'm going to use a screwdriver and adjust these two. So you can see they're both centered almost exactly at 0. This potentiometer has a risk of shorting against the contacts on the other casing, so I had some Kapton tape to insulate it.